Hey, it's Tony and Mary at RV Nomads 365. Today we're going to do a product review on the good old Coleman camping stove. I think you guys are going to be surprised. Let's get started. You ready, Mary? Let me explain why I even have this thing. I've had several barbecues over the last 3 years, and I hate them all. And my last one that we had, it was a Blackstone Tailgater, which is a nice barbecue, which I don't need to tell you, everybody loves. They're Blackstone barbecues. They're a growing company, and when I put mine on Facebook, I sold it in 15 minutes. So it's not that it was a bad unit, it just took up half the truck, took a long time to set up, the parts were heavy. I had to take the griddle off and store it every time I used it because it would almost immediately rust because it was always outside. And I just had my fill. You know, the reality is with any barbecue or grill that you have, when you're using propane, it's all going to taste the same. It's not like, you know, we're mixing mesquite or something, or we're using pellets. It's just propane. So I had my fill. So I was at Walmart and I just grabbed this thing. I thought, well, I'll give it a try. How bad can it be? And brought it home and tried it out. And I got to tell you, I was shocked that this is my favorite device that I've had to cook with outside out of anything I've ever had. You can, you know, it's a stove, so I can heat stuff up normal like on a stove, no problem. Then I put my cast iron grill made by Lodge. One side of it's smooth, one side of it's like a grill. Now I only use the smooth side for the most part. But these little burners on this camp stove, they are super powerful. When you fire it up, it sounds like 2 jet engines going off. I was totally blown away. Now, I'm going to start showing how to put the stove together and, you know, kind of go over the, you know, show you the parts, but I'm not going to walk you through it. This thing is very simple to use. I don't take care of it. It gets rained on. After the rain's over, I turn it on its side and dump out the water. And I fire it back up and cook dinner. I am shocked, you know, it just looks like a little nothing piece of nothing. And it's a super cool little stove. And when I put the Lodge griddle on it, it's a cool grill. Hey, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, click the bell so you get notified next time we make a video.
All right, let's keep going. And so I use this every night, and I take little to no care of it, and I would recommend it to anybody, especially when you take into consideration, instead of half my truck being taken up with a tailgater, this I can store in the front hatch. It's teeny, takes up no room, and I haven't converted it over to using the propane in the RV. I've just been buying those little tanks. A little tank lasts like 2 weeks. It lasts a long time. So it's not even a big deal. So here I am. I'm just putting the griddle on. I got the burners on. And that's it. I make French toast out here. I'll make eggs, cook breakfast, pancakes, whatever. That little Lodge griddle is super cool, and it was easy to season. It's easy to keep seasoned. I can take that little thing off and I can bring it inside. It's no big deal. So I gotta tell you, out of all the stupid stuff that I've done, this is the best. And if you're watching going, well, of course we all know they're wonderful, you're an idiot that you didn't know. Well, then I'm an idiot, because I had no idea. I always saw it like this stove was a toy, and I had no interest in it. And as it turns out, it's the best thing I've ever had. So I would give this, you know, thumbs up on top of thumbs up. And with the griddle, it's a no-brainer. And you know, for the price, $50, when you don't like it anymore, or it gets tore up, you throw it out and go get another one. And there's no working parts to it, so I think it's gonna last a long time. So you got to get one of these. You got to try it out. I cook when I make pasta. I cook it out here. There's the pot. I fill it up with water from our shower right out there, and it's so easy to use. You know, we have that Bass Pro camping kitchen. This little stove fits perfect on the part of the kitchen that's meant for it. So it just works out so perfect. So, you know, here I am. I'm filling up some water. I'll put a little oil and salt and cook some pasta. And, you know, you can see that, how I do that. But you got to, if you're looking for something, you got to get one of these. If you're like me, that you've been frustrated with your barbecues and the mess and how much space it takes, blah, 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 blah. And plus $200 a throw. I think our tailgater was like $280. This was under $50. You really want to at least look. You'll have a use for it anyway. Even if you don't use it, that's my taste tester right there. You got to have a fat baby to test your pasta. That's a little trick. And she's not done testing, obviously, so she's still waiting. So that's my little fat baby right there. That's Dottie. Okay, spaghetti's done. I don't even use the strainer. I just kind of shake it, and once it dries out a little bit like that, I just put it on the plate. And then here's a little sauce. If you've seen my video, you know about the sauce. And that's just a little taste of cooking on it, cooking some burgers, boiling some water. Super versatile. I give it a thumbs up. I totally recommend it. All right, that about does it. Thanks for watching the video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, and click that bell.
Hey, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks again, you guys. Bye.
Bye.